Hi Sujata, wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful year ahead.
हॅलो सुजाता, हॅपी बर्थडे. कशी आहेस तू? किती वर्ष झाली आपण एकमेकींना भेटलो नाही आहोत, पण तरी पण एकमेकींच्या संपर्कात आहोत, कॉन्टॅक्टमध्ये आहोत. एकमेकींबद्दल आपल्याला खुशाली मिळत असते. आणि तुझ्या 50व्या वाढदिवसाबद्दल तुला खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आपण आता प्रत्यक्षात परत भेटलो की आपलं जे ठाण्याला भेटणं आणि वडापाव, भेळ, बसच्या शेवटच्या सीटवर बसून तू, मी, अनु आपण जे एन्जॉय करत होतो तसं पुन्हा तो क्षण आपण जगूया. आणि तुझ्या आयुष्यात तुला सगळ्या ज्या काही तुझ्या इच्छा असतील त्या पूर्ण होऊ देत, हीच माझी खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. ओके, एन्जॉय युअर डे. बाय.
Happy 50th birthday, Sujata. Live a long life. Stay always happy.
हाय सुजाता, तुला तुझ्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त आम्हा सर्वांकडनं खूप 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 शुभेच्छा. हा वाढदिवस तुझा स्पेशल आहे कारण की 50वा वाढदिवस आहे तुझा हा. पण खरं सांगायचं तर तू अजिबात 50 वर्षाची वाटत नाहीयेस. तू तर खरं तर सुकन्याची मोठी बहीणच शोधतेस. अशीच चिरतरुण राहा, आनंदी राहा, हसत राहा आणि येणारं पुढचं वर्ष तुला सुख समृद्धी आणि भरभराटीचं जाऊ देत. मी फोन करेनच, आपण फोनवरती निवांत गप्पा मारू नेहमीप्रमाणेच. आणि हो, थँक्यू सुकन्या, तू आम्हा सगळ्यांना अपॉर्च्युनिटी दिलीस सुजाताला विश करण्याची. Thank you so much, and Sujata, wish you many happy returns of the day from all of us. Thank you.
Happy birthday Sujata.
विश यू मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. तुला 50व्या वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तू परत आल्यानंतर आपण नक्की सेलिब्रेट करूया. इथे सगळ्यांचेच 50वे बर्थडे जवळ आले आहेत. परत एकदा बसच्या लास्ट सीटवर बसून वडापावची पार्टी करूया.
हाय सुजाता, तुला तुझ्या 50व्या वाढदिवसाबद्दल अगदी मनापासून हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. तू नेहमी अशीच हसत आनंदी राहा. आपली मैत्री अशीच शेवटपर्यंत असू दे. आपण पुन्हा लवकरच भेटूया. एन्जॉय युअर स्पेशल डे.
हाय सुजू, हाव आर यू? तुझ्या 58 बर्थडेच्या भरपूर मनापासून खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. तुझं ईच अँड एव्हरी मोमेंट्स, एव्हरी डे हा डे बाय डे फुल ऑफ हॅपीनेस अँड प्रॉस्पेरिटीने जाऊ दे. आणि माझ्या पूर्ण परिवाराकडून, यशकडून स्पेशली, त्याच्याकडून लॉट ऑफ लव अँड विशेस. बाय. आणि तू जेव्हा इथे येशील तेव्हा आम्हाला पहिले भेटशील, मग तू तुझ्या मम्मीला भेट. बाय.
Hi Sujata, you came to our family and blended so well and always made efforts to celebrate together. You always consider family over materialistic things. Even after so many difficulties in your life you faced, you rose to the occasion, keeping your mind cool always. You were the right choice for my younger brother Sudhir, and though you are younger to me by so many years, you always supported me when I was in need during my bad times. Finally, I cannot forget Sukanya, who you brought into our family, was a additional gift, as you can icing on the cake, with the chirping and very naughty, mischievous, and always having fun. I always look forward to that. I still remember the 60th birthday we celebrated of Smita Akka in Singapore and Malaysia. It was a memorable one which will be cherished in my life. I wish you a very happy golden birthday through this video, as I cannot make myself personally available there in Singapore. God bless you always and hope you enjoy and have a great time with your husband. Bye. Take care.
तुझे मैं जहाँ के नजर Dear Sujata, wishing you a happy 50th birthday, a big achievement of milestone in life. You are the most admired co-sister. I adore you for your dedication and perseverance in whatever you choose to do. You are a hardworking, strong-willed, stable, smiling and always welcoming person. May God bless you and shower upon you the choicest blessings. Happy birthday, Sujata.
Happy birthday, Sujata Kaki. Half century is a really big milestone. I hope the second half of your life is doubly as enjoyable as the first.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sujata Akka. Happy birthday to you. Yo. Then heart. Niti heart. Give a kiss.
काय बरं
हो आठवतं की
काय
तुझा मलेशियामध्ये साजरा केला होता वाढदिवस आठवतं का सुजाता आणि सुधीरनी तसाच तिचा वाढदिवस आज आहे 50वा
बरोबर बरोबर तुझ्या लक्षात आहे
तर त्यासाठी तिला शुभेच्छा देऊया आपण
येस
तिचा प्रेमळ स्वभाव तिचं कळकळून हसणं ते एकमेकात मिसळून वागणं हे सतत लक्षात राहतं
जोशी फॅमिलीमध्ये पण ती छान निभावून घेतलं सगळ्यांना
आणि ती कुठेही आली तरी मिक्सअप होते
आपुलकीने वागते
त्यामुळे तिला असंच उदंड आयुष्य लाभो असंच आयुष्य तिचं सुखाने जावं अशी आज प्रार्थना करतोय आपण तिच्यासाठी आणि आपले आशीर्वाद आपण तिला कायम ठेवू आणि ती अशीच हसत राहू इच्छा करू
Sujata, wish you a very healthy and long life. All the best from us in India. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
आता अजून एक सुजातासाठी एक सरप्राईज म्हणू आपण ते दाखवलं जाणार आहे
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sujata. Happy birthday to
Hi, today 3rd September is my beloved wife Sujata's birthday, and that to her a special day as it's her 50th birthday. I would like to wish her many happy returns of the day and look forward to her continuous support which she has given me right from the time of marriage, and more importantly she has given me the joy of a life, that is a daughter Sukanya. Sujata always has supported me, whether it's on the home front or my professional front, always there, and she has never been biased, whether it's my side family or her side family. She has treated everybody as equal and always try to maintain good relationship with everyone, and I have seen that she feels happy by helping our own near and dear people. This is one very good quality of Sujata. And not only that, Sujata has always, like for Sukanya too, though she was this thing like for the studies, she always encouraged her, and at times she left her job. She gave priority for Sukanya's education more than her own, and she left the job, and she always guided Sukanya. And today what Sukanya, the course she has taken and all, the medical profession and all, I give lot of credit to Sujata for achieving this. So and one more thing is that Sujata has always been my moral support, mental support, and not only me, from my side also, whenever like my brother or my sister is there, she talks very freely and never keeps any reservations in her mind. So I would like to say that these are some of her very good qualities which I really admire. Though I am not a person who always like says very very good things about my wife, but at the bottom of my heart I know what she has done for my family, or family rather, and only say let God bless her. Hari Om. Thank you.
Hello, Mommy. Manu and I wanted to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. And it's your 50th birthday. And we are really sad that we can't be there with you in person. But once I come back, we shall celebrate. And I miss you so much. I miss the food you make. Because no matter how many times I try cooking, it's never the same. And Annalise took a lot of initiative. I would like to highlight that. He's been getting me to prepare for this for a while, months actually. So even though it's going to be like, no, I didn't do much. Yeah, he's been planning this. Your gifts are not going to reach in time, and I'm sorry for that, but I hope you like this video, and here's to many more years of celebration. I miss you, Hanger Devi, and your cards. I did not enjoy them when it happened, but I miss them, and I will keep troubling you, rebelling, keeping my DP as what it was a few days ago. I might have changed it or not, I don't know. And yeah, look at the amount of videos and how many people love you. So special. And gonna say something. Say something to grandma. Come on. He said I love you. And we love you so much. And yeah, through this course of time, Anuli has deleted all his photos and I had to help him get it back because we're trying to hide this from you. And I hope you enjoy your day. And bye.
खुदा करे ऐ शौक तुझको चांद की उम्र लग जाए आए तो कयामत आए तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है